The Idaho State Police has issued an Amber Alert for a 15-year-old white female named Lillian Dixon. She is 5 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 100 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes, and was last seen in the rural area of Columbia County near Starbuck or Waitsburg in Washington State wearing a black and white California stocking cap, black and white jacket with 8 on the back, black shirt, blue jeans, and brown and blue cowboy boots, and a yellow and blue backpack. She is in the company of Jonathan Bowles, a 36-year-old white male who is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 235 pounds with blue eyes and brown hair, has a scar on the right elbow and a scar on the right forearm. Bowles may be armed and should be considered dangerous. They may be traveling on foot in the area. If you have information, please call the Idaho State Police at 208-209-8730 or call 911.